Hi, I'm Captain David from Lady Pamela Sportfishing Charters. I want to talk to you about everything that you don't see that goes on with us before you guys come out on a trip. One thing we're doing today, we're checking the Fireboy system, making sure everything's working perfectly on it. It's something we do on all our boats. Every one of our boats has a Fireboy system. What the Fireboy system does, if we were to have an engine room fire, it automatically shuts down the engines and the canister disperses and shuts down the fire and puts it out. You know, your safety is your utmost importance with us, with your family, your kids, when you bring out your relatives, whoever you bring on our boats. Safety is our 100% concern. So we want to make sure our boats are tip-top and ready. We're not like our other competition. You know, every day when we're not fishing, we're doing monthly maintenance, doing engine room oil checks, oil changes, zincs, tackle maintenance. Tackle maintenance is a big part that no one sees behind the scenes. Every day our guys are making rigs, putting new line on reels, making sure our swivels are good, remaking all our hook rigs. You know, a lot of stuff, you know, hours and hours and hours goes into tackle maintenance after trips, before trips, and on days we don't have charters.